How to deposit check in Simplii Financial. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Depositing a check with Simplii Financial is pretty straightforward. Here is how you can do it. Firstly, go ahead and open the application and log into your Simplii Financial mobile app. Now, select Deposit and navigate to the Deposit option. Further, capture the check. Follow the prompts to take the pictures of both the front and the back of your check. You will then be required to enter your details, so input the amount and confirm the details. Finally, tap on the Submit button. Review your information and submit the deposit, and this is how you can deposit check in Simplii Financial. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.